Three. There are three types of agents right now in the market in terms of psychology. And I'm doing this video for you because I want you to be very aware where you are. And if you're not happy where you are, you can make the change and improvement so you can have a better result. Sounds good? So let's get started. Hello everyone, this is your friend Coach Vanda here, and today in this video I'm going to share with you guys three types of psychology that the agents are experiencing right now, and I want to make sure that you are aware which one you are right now so you can make a change and improve, adjust the course so you can have the results that you want. Are you ready? Okay, let's get started. One type of agent right now is the victim. By the way, I just want to say I do this with a lot of love and respect. I believe everybody can change, transform. We have something called neuroplasticity, so we never were wired this way. We just have habits. So I want to say this with a lot of love. Don't get upset with me. I'm going to be brutally honest with you because that's who I am and it's necessary so you can make the change. So number one is the victim. The victim is always complaining, whining, blaming. Is the market, interest rate is too high, my clients are not motivated, the economy, is the president, or is my family, I don't have time, or I don't have money, I don't have support, my kids take a lot of my time and I can't do this because of this. It's always blaming, whining, complaining. If you are there, I hope you know there is strategies and tactics that you can shift your mindset. Agent number two psychology is the worrier. The worrier that's always nervous and scared, worrying. So just remember this. It's a habit. My mother was a wonderful woman, marvelous woman, my angel, I loved her. But she had the habit, she had the belief of worrying. She was always worrying. It's too much, it's too much, it's too expensive, the risk is too big. What if this happened? What if that happened? And it's stressful, it creates anxiety. So the worrier lives in scarcity too because it's always worrying about, if I do this, I might lose money, I might lose time, I might look bad. So it's the worrier who's always worried, always nervous, scary, and that creates a lot of anxiety, creates a lot of hesitancy, and keeps them stuck and declining. So the worrier don't have peace of mind. Therefore, the worrier doesn't have confidence. So if you are worrying, you need to have a mindset shift. We need to help you to upgrade your mindset. There are strategies that helps you to release the worry, to shift to resilience, to confidence, to gratitude. So, by the way, the first one too, right? The victim that lives in victimhood can also change because we're now wired this way. We can change all the time, right? And create new habits, new ways of thinking, new ways of feeling, new ways of doing, and the warrior too. And then number three, here is where you want to live, is the empowered superstar mindset. No matter what's going on, her meaning is there's a challenge. With the challenge, it comes opportunity. Oh, I have a problem, opportunity for me to solve and show my value. I'm having a bad day, but what's the good thing about this? What is my lesson here? What the universe is trying to teach me? The super positive, optimistic, abundant mindset agent. He is waiting for the best. She's expecting to provide the best result. She's showing up with energy, with passion, with enthusiasm, understanding that life is not easy. Business is tough. We're dealing with stressed out people, nervous people, anxious people, but she's working on her energy. She's working on her mindset, knowing that there's plenty of business out there. 2024, 4.1 million homes sold. And she's thinking, 2025, a lot of homes gonna sell millions of homes. I'm gonna sell 30. I'm gonna sell 50. The superstar abundant mindset agent is looking for opportunity, is rising up in the midst of noise and chaos, is working on himself. He is working on his mindset, what he's consuming, what he's learning. Yeah. So the superstar mindset is learning, improving, also executing on the plan, keeping on, even when he's fall apart, even when she fall apart, she comes in. She has a mentor, she has a coach, someone who pushes her, elevates her, supports her, uplifts her, but also tells the truth that she can bounce on ideas. So where are you here? Are you the victim waiting that one day things are gonna happen to you? No. The victim is what life is happening to me. Life is hard. No. The superstar's life is happening for me. It's abundant. Only wonderful things happen to me. Every day in every way, I improve myself and I improve the lives of many, many buyers and sellers. I have the energy. I learn very fast. Whatever happens, I can make the best. So where are you? Have a mindset shift right now. Because if you are worrying, you're going to drop so much fear in your body, so much pain in your body, so much pain and suffering, and you're going to be in a horrible place. And by the way, many times when we have worry thoughts, scarcity thoughts, fearful thoughts, we also become a victim. So don't be there. Be agent with the highest elevated emotion, beautiful psychology, and every day I have my priorities on the schedule. I schedule my priorities. I know what my money, revenues, activities are. Every day in every way I bring value to my database. Every day in every way I do my follow-up. I have a plan. I follow the plan. My coach helps me to bounce back ideas, to keep me on track, to stop my bullshit. She helps me to pivot, and I do that myself. I have a morning routine. I practice self-care. I practice self-love. I respect myself. I have standards. I have minimum standards that I know exactly my goals, what I'm doing, how my routine looks like, and every day I improve myself, my skills, my competence. Be that agent. You have the choice every day, the meaning you give it to the world. Every situation, if you give a bad meaning, you have a bad emotion, therefore bad attitude, and you do nothing. If you give a good meaning, the world is full of abundance and possibilities. I live in an infinite field of possibilities, abundance. I'm here to solve problems, help people. I can earn as much money as I want. I'm gonna earn $100,000 a month because I'm gonna list 3, 4, 5 homes a month. I have opportunities. When everybody is worrying, I'm taking action. When everybody is complaining, whining, I'm learning and implementing the right place that works. Be that agent and watch your business transform. Watch your health improve. Watch your energy become amazing because you have the right psychology, a beautiful mindset of abundance, possibilities, and wealth and joy, and then you're here to serve. Go do that. I hope you like that. Do me a favor. If you have not subscribed for my channel, do now. I'm here every day in every way, improving you guys, doing what I can to help you with the energy, with inspiration. I was there too. I was the warrior. I was also sometimes blaming on the market, but I decided I'm not going to be a victim and I'm not going to be a warrior. I'm going to be a warrior. I will claim my life, take charge of my life, because everything I have, my result, is the total sum of my thinking, my emotions, and my action. So share this with someone who is blaming or complaining or waiting. Share with someone who's worrying and getting sick with all the cortisol and building illness, and make sure every day you shift and become the empowered, powerful, positive, optimistic, with a mindset of abundance agent. Deal? I love you. Stay strong, and I'll see you soon. Go do your magic.